you can do simple math, you can get to CHUD theory. Think about it. You get a shipment that gets tagged as harmful, spent, crude, that you can't afford to get rid of in a proper manner. Then what? What happens next? Dump it? Just dump it? Just dump it out?
What the hell is this? You can't just come in here like a maniac. You nearly scared me half to death.
Sorry, I'm a courier.
Oh, good for you!
Oh, nice. Which one of you is Anderson Jarrod?
That guy is.
What do you want?
This is for you.
Who's this from? Who sent you?
No return address, so let's just call it an interested party, okay?
Fuck is this?
Hey fellas, do you know how to get to 95?
Can't get there from here.
Ha! Okay.
Well, that's kind of weird.
Get used to it, bud bro. Go time. Go.
We like what you've been up to, Jarrod. You and your crew.
Well, thank you, but I still don't understand what's going on. How did you know where we were? Who are you?
Let's just call us the interested party. We have a job for you, Jarrod, if you're interested.
Well, I'm still on the phone.
Stop what you're doing and give us a chance to explain ourselves to you in person.
Why me?
You have particular skills that set you apart.
What do you know about fireballs?
If you think it ends there, then you're in for quite a surprise.
Who are you?
Anderson, why don't you stay where you are, and we'll come get you.
What the hell was that all about?
Get in the car.
We got CHUDS, thugs, and other nasties after us right now, Mr. Anderson.
I know. It's fucking crazy. Still have to figure out who the thugs are, or better yet, whom they are working for.
It smells like an evil corporation using homeless men as guinea pigs to avoid persecution instead of using cute stuff like rabbits and goats and shit.
Thus giving them an unregulated and inexhaustible supply of new specimens. Genius, really.
We just have to catch them in the act.
And the CHUDS are being used as guard dogs?
We do have to go back up there. We have to find out who's behind all of this.
Okay, we just gotta remember not to lose our gumption.
I seem to remember you creating fire from your hands.
Don't worry about that. You just keep that camera rolling.
First, we gotta lose this tail.
I don't think anyone is following us, Bob.
It's the eye in the sky. Saul and Bob picked it up on the way in. We got a bogey on our tail, coming in hot.
We gotta split up. Meet at the field near the nature camp. You should have never have followed us. Now you have pissed me off on a level you cannot possibly comprehend. Damn you for what you're about to make me do. Damn you! End transmission.
Big Pete! Little Pete, come on, time to get up, man.
We need one more. One more, you hear me? I'm not stopping until these guys are paid off.
Big Pete!
First guy we see, we grab.
Hot sloppy jambalaya. That'll put a fire in your belly. Andrew, drive back to the camp. We gotta warn the boys. It's not safe for them. Somebody's gonna get hurt. Or worse.
Look at that pair of tits.
It's the raccoon.
Hey, Jeff! They took them! Big Pete and Little Pete! Took them! I woke up and they were gone, Jarrod! They were gone!
Did you see who took them? Did you see who took them?
No, I just woke up and they were gone. Smelled awful, and they were gone.
So they were gone when you woke up?
They said it'd be safer if they both slept in the same tent.
Easy pickings.
They moved quickly, but they were sloppy. They dropped this. That symbol is the only clue we have as to who the perpetrator of this crime might be.
Did you even bother reading the note on it, Sherlock?
I don't read. Grab hobos, trade for debt, meet at shit factory, Jormungandr.
What the hell is Jormungandr?
In Viking mythology, it's a great serpent that fights with Thor. It can consume entire kingdoms.
That's the name of the company.
What company?
World Serpent. Their headquarters are right here in Portland.
I've been there before. It's right next to the shit factory.
What the hell is the shit factory?
Sewage treatment plant down near the old bike path. Probably owned by Serpent too. That's where it's going to happen.
Illegal experimentation right under our noses.
How did you know?
I was literally just taking a stab in the dark. But it seems like my illegitimate surmising has finally come to fruition. And that scares the piss out of me.
Me too.
Me 3.
Me 4.
Eagleheart! Do you bring news?
I heard about the Pete's. Came to see it for myself.
They're gone. Found this.
Well, now we know where to go to next.
Mr. Raccoon, you gotta get out of here.
I want to help.
No! Don't you understand? They're after you. They don't give a shit about us. They don't even know who we are. You gotta get out of town. You gotta get across the Westbrook County line.
Do it for me, Jarrod.
I'm doing it for the hobos, Raccoon. All of them. I'm ready to do this. I'm pissed off and I'm ready to kick some ass. Anybody that ain't willing to do the same thing can stay right here. But me, I'm gonna confront these bastards.
Stick a camera right in their face.
Right. We go in there guns a-blazing, and we better be prepared to deal with the serious repercussions of our actions. Let it be known, we are kicking in a hornet's nest.